okay? If you have more than 20, it's okay. You can still play with it.
Yes. So today we are going to show you how to play a domino.
Dominoes.
So let's start.
Yes.
So open it up.
Stand up for the table.
Take them out.
See like this, see this is real.
Yes.
Yeah, what it is?
Double six.
Yes, it's double six. The
Show me
highest
again.
number.
Okay.
The highest number.
Yes, this is the highest number. Who plays the highest number gets the chance to
Play first,
Then
yes.
then
Let's take it
then
out.
you have to do like this. I have to put it first over on the table, okay? Like this. And don't do cheating, okay? Don't cheat the dominoes. And you should hide from the other players' dominoes you have. Okay?
Okay.
Place it down. So we have to put the dominoes like this out of the box, okay? Then when we call it bone, and all together when we put it, it's called boneyard. So you have to face them down on the table like this. And make sure you don't do cheating. You have to hide from the other player. These are my dominoes, okay? Okay? And you should not from us. Daddy can't see, okay? You have to hide it from him. Because
Yes.
he's a
So
player.
first let's put it upside down. Okay. Let's arrange it first.
And these small dots are called pips.
Tips or
Yeah.
dots.
Pips or dots. That's right.
Yes.
Let's
So let's tell again. Which is called bone, Abir? Can you show me?
This.
Single one is known as bone.
Bone. And this is boneyard. You know what does the boneyard mean? This is a yard. This is a yard with all the bones. For your doggy or your plane. We just call it like a boneyard.
now let's mix it.
Down like this. And I'm mixing them.
So we have to shuffle it like that. Is it so, Abir?
Yes.
No cheating, no peeking around.
Yes.
Let's mix it very
My
well.
hand got open, but I didn't saw it.
Okay.
Yes.
Only little
Let's
bit
play a
of
fair
the
game. We can play it with 2 to 4 players, right?
We have two now, so how many have to pick?
So we will draw 7. If there are 3 or 4 players, they have to draw 5 bones. Okay? So it's first turn for you. Draw the 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we are playing this game with two players today. You can play with 4. This is 20 dominoes. Each player has to collect 7. And they have to arrange the way that Abhi did it. Good, Abhi. It seems like you got a good numbers. Yeah.
Now can you tell who is going to play first?
First
The
me.
double 6. Do you have double 6?
Yes.
Wow. You're lucky.
Let's
keep the
And
boneyard
I've double
with it.
also 5. But don't tell anybody.
You already told.
No, this is double
Okay.
6 with double 5.
So doubles will go on the horizontal.
Yes, this
And
is
we
this.
can-
Straight.
This.
So we have now one single end.
You
Open
can
2
use-
open ends. One this side and other
That
this
is
side.
another
So you can play either
You
3 or
can
6.
play 3 or 6 series.
That's
If I have 6, so I'll put it like this. I have 6 already.
Okay. So you played 2.
So that I played this domino. That two.
First,
ways.
let me know, Abhi, who did the first. I mean, who take first chance? Who take the
Me,
first
me.
chance? Okay, how we decide that you need to take a first chance or the other player need to take the second chance? I mean, first chance,
From the
whatever.
bigger number, like 6 and 6 is a bigger number.
Okay, let me show them. So,
Yeah.
Abhi started with this.
See,
6 and
that's why I
6.
was coming like this.
Yes.
That's why they do it like this. Don't tell
So,
to Daddy.
Abhi, how you arrange these two? Can you explain, Daddy and Abhi?
Yes. That way place it like this towards the other domino. Then I already put it.
Okay, it's my turn. So let's
Yeah.
continue.
Yes.
Then we will understand. So I
Okay.
played double 2.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Wow. Okay. You got 1. I got
Oh,
this one.
okay. I also got.
So it's basically dominoes draw game. And
Yes.
it is the most common game which is being played.
If-
There are lot
if
of
we are-
other
if
ways
we
to
are-
play
If we are
also.
telling that they want to play dominoes, means they're speaking about draw.
Yeah, draw
Sure.
dominoes. Okay. So you played blank. Oh, I can still go like this. It's your turn.
Blank means blank.
Oh, that's good.
We're gonna have one more blank. Then one will come.
I think I have to. I can still play.
Okay. Oh, it's fun. Thank you, Daddy. Please, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, please, Daddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I
Oh,
won.
you are the
Daddy, how many
winner.
have we have?
So now
1,
the
2,
winner is
3,
Abir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 points.
Show the last bone.
Yes. Who gets the last bond now gets to calculate. Like 1, 2,
Show it to
3.
mommy.
Like this. I got 6 and 4 and 6 or 6 and 4.
So we have to add it up. So 10
Yes.
points.
Yes.
The player who reaches.
Or like this. See, I have 6 and 4. Okay.
Can you come little closer, Abir? Yes.
You know how to calculate the winner's points. You just need a pen and a page. But you have to calculate these two numbers. Like 1, 2, 3.
So yeah,
4,
we have to
5,
calculate all the
6,
dots, right?
7,
Yes.
8, 9,
Yes.
10. So I have 10 points.
So let me draw a table. I will write first your name. A, B, E, E, R. Okay. And I will write.
This
Okay.
is a boss mind from you.
So now, how many points you got? You are the winner. So my total was 10. 10 pips. So Abir got 10 points.
Yes.
Okay. And the one who will reach 100 or you can keep 150 will be the winner of the
I'll keep 100.
game. So this was the first round. Let's play quickly the
Yes.
next game.
Yes.
Let's play the second
Let's
round.
put them in the bone here. Okay. This is a bone. Oh yeah, this is a bone.
Come,
You
let's
you
mix
know
it.
what is this skeleton? It's a part of a bone. You notice?
No, it's not the part of bone.
Yes.
Don't scare.
No,
It's whole bone.
Yes.
Your turn. You
Not
are
a
the
part
winner.
of
And
the
my
bone.
elbow have also bone. That's why it's hard.
Yeah.
Draw the 7
One,
bones.
no, 1, 2.
Don't show.
Abir, can you okay, keep it again and shuffle it, then you can again pick it up.
1,
I will draw mine.
2, 3.
Just to show, let's play like this. Let's keep it open this time so that everyone can understand the game.
So let's
easily.
learn from Abir and his daddy how to play dominoes. Now we are teaching you step by step. Okay?
Oh, you got again double 6. So you are the going to play first. If somebody doesn't have double 6,
Yeah.
maybe we can go with double 5,
Yeah,
double
like
4.
this, yes.
And sometimes
Like
we
this.
don't have double digit numbers. Then in that case we can count the highest number of pips.
Okay.
So let's play the second round.
I got double 6 again.
Okay. Keep them open this time so that it will be easy
Yes.
to
Oh, I
understand.
got this and this all the time.
So
Take
this
seven.
time Abir and daddy will show us step by step how to play a dominoes, and they kept their numbers open for
How
us.
many you took?
1.
So first we have to collect how many, Abir?
7. With for 2 players we can collect 7. And for 5 players,
Not 5, 3 to 4 players.
we collect 5.
5. And we have
Okay.
to add more dominoes in that game. It is the 28. We can play with 2 to 3 players. If you want to increase players, you have to add more dominoes. And
Yes.
28, 56, likewise. You have
Yes.
to increase.
If we have 10 players, so we have to take more than 10.
Okay. Abir, how many you have?
1, 2.
You need one more.
Yes. That's what I was.
So now we will see who has got the highest number or
Yes.
double 6. So you already got the double 6. Can you place it horizontally? Yes.
So daddy, if he doesn't have 6 and 6, the big number, what we have to do then?
Then he can play double 5 or double 4, double 3, double 2, double 1. In case if none of the player has double six or like that double digit this thing, then we can go with the highest number. Let's say 6 and 5. That is the highest.
Then we have to
one,
add the
11.
number.
And
Yeah.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, please.
That if we don't have anyone, then you have to count them. If you don't have any, you have to see which is the biggest number. Like because the number, pretend don't see this, okay? Okay, so he have this and I have this, okay? So which is the biggest number? Okay, this one. So I place it down on the
Yes,
table.
you are right. Now it's my turn. So it's having 6. Okay, so you place it horizontally, double 6. Then I will move it here. Now it's having 2 ends. You can place either 2 or double 6.
Oh,
side.
thank you, Daddy.
So it's having 2 open ends.
Thank you. See, I got lot of 6.
Okay.
Say thank you to the Domino's. They gave me lot of from winning.
Let's see who's going to win.
Oh, it's Abhi's turn. So how you gonna place it, Abhi?
Like this.
You put the blank one and is blank, so I will use this one. Or either I can play this double 2 also. So let me go with this one. Okay.
The blackness left.
Basically, we have to match it, right?
Yes. And
Yes,
we have
like,
2 open ends.
Like this blank one. See, I have one blank, okay? And Daddy, do you have one blank?
Yeah, Daddy already
No, I
placed
don't
it.
have blank. Let's play.
Okay,
Move
this
forward.
is a blank pen. Then you have to join them together. Or if you have blank, you can turn them and join them like that.
Okay, now whose turn? Abhi's
So you
turn.
can- Yes, you placed it right. You can either place that side or like this.
If it goes to
It
the edge
depends
of,
on player.
if you are
How
going
they
to
want to
edge
play.
of the table now, you're almost to here now. Then you have to turn the dominoes. You can't turn it.
Okay.
You have to move it like this.
Yeah, it's your turn. Let's play quickly.
Like this. I don't want to go that side because I know that it's steep. Steep now because when we did still here.
Okay.
Then it's flat.
Now I will play this one. Let's play.
Okay. Good chance, Daddy.
Hmm.
I don't have any option.
You don't have any option?
I have to pick from
Then
one.
you have to pick one from there.
From the boneyard.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
I can do like this now.
yes, you can move like this.
Oh no, if we put this one, I'll get into trouble.
Okay, so once he picked one and he doesn't have, the chance goes to the other player. So it's
Like-
my chance. He already picked
Like
one.
this.
Yeah. So
See, if the other player can't play now with the hands, I can't play. So I can't
Okay.
have any option now.
I will keep my
Then-
dominoes here.
Then I have to pick from one of
Play a
the
wheel.
bones and.
Yes.
If
Okay,
the-
now your chance, Abhi.
You know what is any other play to play with his hand? The player can't play with his hand. It means the player can't. See, I can't
You
play.
can play this one. Or
Actually,
this 4.
I'll play this.
Okay. Fair enough. I will move it here. Let's move the boneyard towards you because I think I'm going to win this round. Let's play.
I think I am going to win. Let's see.
Yeah, you have to place it.
Oh no!
like this.
Please.
And I am the winner. Okay, let's show your dominoes to everyone. Now, can you count how many number of
Oh,
pips
yes.
are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So I
Oh, it's
got
not 15. Count it again.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
yeah.
Yes.
So I got 14 points in this round. So we can
I still study head. I will get more points than you ever got in your whole life. I get 100 points.
all right. Okay. So
Let me
this
show
is
the score.
I will get 15 points actually.
Okay.
It's 10 to up to 14.
So, are we going to play one more round?
No.
so
No,
this is
yet.
how we have to play, and we can make the score limit of 100 or 150. It depends on the players how they want to play. So the person who reaches, let's say, if the game is of 100 points, the one who scores 100 first, he is the winner of the game.
Like this, just calculate. How I just calculate? calculate means you have to count the numbers
Yeah,
and
okay.
mix them and make a big number.
Yes, so I hope you all enjoyed this game and you know how to play the Dominoes
Draw game.
draw game.
It's the basic game which is being played by most of the players all around the world, and it's been played from the 18th century.
Okay. So I hope you all know now how to play the dominoes, right, Abir?
Yes.
Very nice explanation and game by Abir and Daji.
Thank you.
So you want to knock it down?
Yes. Awesome, ma. I know more domino sticks. If you want to see my knockdown down sticks, write it on the my name, or press it on the TV button. I'll show you. Okay? I'll show you. Okay?
Okay.
After some time. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Till then. Bye-bye.
I want to show you one thing.